Hello, and welcome back to the MeasureSquare YouTube channel. In this video, we will be going over the Photo Hub section for JobTrakr. To get to the Photo section, you first must select your project. Then, in the left side, you will see photos for you to select. When here, you have the option to upload photos and videos to the projects in the top right. When clicking on Upload Photo or Video in the top right, you will receive a new pop-up window. To add a photo, pick Select Photo or Video, find what you would like to attach to the job, and then select Upload. Once uploaded, you can select a photo to view by clicking on the preview icon. If you would like to delete any photos, you can individually select or select all and then click on the delete option. You can also search for your plan, your task name, as well as your rooms at the top of their designated search bars. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and videos for MeasureSquare.